Welcome back, everybody. This is section 5.7 of our geometry, and 5.7 is going to be putting everything together. The side, 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 SSS, SAS, angle, side, angle, and the hypotenuse leg congruence theorem, HL. We're going to put all of these together. So I'm going to do an example, and then the next one will be practice for you to pause and practice. The first example here, we have it was supposed to be like a hang glider, okay? Now, I don't know if you can see on there, but these lines come out. They extend a little bit, and so there's an angle here, 1, and that line comes out, and there's an outside angle, 2, right there, okay? Now, let's first write or put in what they have given to us. Angle 1 and angle 2 are congruent. So this angle is congruent with this angle. Angle RTQ is congruent with RTS. So this and this, these two are congruent to each other. Okay. Now we need to use deduce what other things are congruent to find all the corresponding parts to show that QT is going to be congruent with ST. Okay, so far we have two angles. We do know that RT is going to be congruent with RT. That was the reflexive. Okay, so this is congruent to itself. Now we have, we still have an outside angle. Knowing that this is congruent to itself, if I were to split these two triangles apart, remember the theorem, base angles theorem, where the angle opposite of the side is going to be congruent with the other angle opposite of that same side. Okay. Let me show you really quick. If I were to split that design apart into two different triangles, okay, and we have Q, R, T, R, S, T, and I said that these are congruent, and this outside angle, cut it off over there, these are congruent, right? These are congruent. Okay, hope you can see that. I'm trying to get rid of that glare. Now, the angles opposite of the sides that are congruent will also be congruent. Okay, so angle RQT is congruent with angle RST. Now we have angle, side. Angle, side. Okay, congruence theorem. And now with this congruence theorem, triangle QRT is congruent with triangle SRT. And if those triangles are congruent, then we can say QT is congruent with ST. These are going to be congruent. And that's what we were trying to prove. Okay?